Merry Christmas, everybody. This is Lester here, and thank you so much for joining me for a video. This is going to be a quick unboxing of a Smithey Ironware cast iron pan. Smithy.com is the website where you can get one, and I am going to leave that in my description. This is a piece of cookware that changed my mind about my cookware collection. I discovered it online and I checked out some videos on it, and it just happens to be one of the most attractive pieces of cookware, most manly pieces of cookware, or womanly, that I've ever seen, and I just had to have it, and it's changed my mind about my kitchen cookware collection, which I thought as a bachelor I was pretty much done with. And I think now what's going to end up happening is I might end up getting another one of these skillets to replace my trusty cookware that I use all the time, which are these non-stick pans. I just use them. I use them for a ton of stuff. I usually, anything, I cook burgers in them, I cook eggs in them. I have my cast iron lodge here, but that is... it's not really great for cooking eggs and stuff. It's really only good for steaks because even though it's pretty well seasoned, it does tend to be a pain to clean up. So I just got this package in today, so this is a truly live unboxing. I did cut open the top so my address is not poking out there on the label for all of the YouTube people to see, but I have not flipped open the box yet, so we are going to go ahead and take a first look at this Smithey 12-inch cast iron skillet. I'm telling you, I know it's going to be beautiful because I've been looking at the videos on it, and I have been studying it online, and I know it's going to be amazing. But while we're here at Christmas, I thought I may as well share something interesting with you that you might, if you're into doing your own cooking. So this right here is beef cheek meat, and this is the actual meat that comes from the cheek of a cow, and it is the same meat that Chipotle uses to make their barbacoa. So if you want some really delicious meat that is amazing, go to your BJ's or your Sam's Club or whatever your discount club is of your choice and get yourself some beef cheek meat. I was able to get about 7.5 pounds of it for $33, which I think is a steal, because all you got to do is take 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 pounds of that meat and put it in your slow cooker. I have probably about 3 pounds in there right now, maybe 2.5, 3 pounds, and I'm doing a 9.5 hour slow cook. You could just put some salt and pepper on it, and it comes out as the most delicious meat you ever had for tacos, or I guess po' boy sandwiches, or whatever you're liking. You probably could serve that with some mashed potatoes and green beans too, and it is absolutely delicious. So there's a little recipe for you. I'm actually doing a barbacoa recipe. I'll show you what that looks like right here. Ignore some of the ingredients, but I have taken the 2 to 5 pounds of the beef cheek meat, 5 garlic cloves. I do have the 2 bay leaves in there. I got a tablespoon of the dried oregano, 1/4 cup of water. Ignore 1/4 cup of pork fat. You don't need it. 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 2 teaspoons of kosher salt, 1/2 teaspoon of ground cloves, and 1 small can of chipotle peppers and adobo sauce. Blend that up for 2 minutes. Pour it in on top of your beef cheek meat, and set your slow cooker on low and slow for 9.5 hours, and you will have an amazing dish of food. Now, I'm not going to open my crock pot to show you because this wasn't really a cooking video, but I just wanted to share that with you so the video could be a little bit even more useful. And don't forget to get your Big Jim pure green chilies from the Fresh Chili Company, another phenomenal U.S. company. So we have U.S. company here, U.S. company here. All right, so this is it. No more talk, 5 minutes in. All right, let's see what we get here. Oh, let me get that out of there. Put this away. Now, to care for these things, you can wash them with a little bit of soap and water. And the best way to season them is to just cook with them. I also did pick up some of their seasoning oil. Let's open that up. Sorry, I'm one-handed here. Seasoning oil. And so there you go. You got the Smithey Ironware seasoning oil. All right, put that over to the side. Now, let's get this beautiful thing out of here. And now this got some weight to it. This is not going to be for an 89-year-old grandmother to wing around in the kitchen. Although I'm sure your 89-year-old grandma would have loved this thing, but it is heavy. This is the cast iron skillet, number 12, U.S. made, Smithey Ironware Company. Nice box. And there it is, man. There it is. Let's get some more light. Let me get some more light in here. Do as much justice as we can. My first impressions, no surprise that it is really beautiful. Oh, got a little piece of, looks like glue. Oh, okay. Yeah, this is glued on there. All right. Take a look at that thing, man. That thing is like a, oh, that's a bruiser. That is heavy. There it is. Charleston, South Carolina. Smithey Ironware Company. That is the most popular one right there. And as you can see, it's just really beautiful. So I wanted it. I had to have it. And get this little piece of glue off of here. But anyway, get it on the old oven top. Oh yeah. So this will be really great. Great to have around the kitchen. It's a good looking piece of cookware. It'll definitely be around when I'm gone. So that is it. And I found another YouTube video where the YouTuber actually does a whole cooking, 45-minute video on different things that he cooks in this pan, and it's really another thing that really turned me on to it. So I think I'll link that in my description too. Well, anyway, there it is. I just wanted to share with you guys. That's my Smithey cast iron pan, 12-inch, that I'm very happy with. Going to keep forever. Definitely going to do some cooking in it. And I hope you all have a Merry Christmas and a safe Christmas. And see you on my next video. And thanks for checking this one out. Bye-bye.